What if the key to unlocking your full potential lies within? Our minds are incredibly powerful tools. They can either propel us towards success or hold us back from achieving our dreams. Mastering your mind is the first step towards mastering your destiny. Every great accomplishment, every fortune built began with a single thought. Our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. When we focus on positive, empowering beliefs, we create a ripple effect that influences our emotions and actions. This positive energy attracts opportunities and propels us towards our goals. On the other hand, negative self-talk can be incredibly damaging. Doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs act as roadblocks, preventing us from even trying. They create self-fulfilling prophecies, leading us to make decisions that keep us stuck in a cycle of mediocrity. The good news is that we have the power to choose our thoughts. We can decide to focus on what we want to achieve, rather than dwelling on our fears. Our minds and bodies are not separate entities, they are intricately connected. The thoughts we think and the emotions we experience have a direct impact on our physical well-being and our overall success. When we experience stress, anxiety, or fear, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can have detrimental effects on our health and decision-making abilities. Conversely, positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and love release endorphins, which have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. These positive emotions create a sense of well-being that allows us to think clearly, make sound decisions, and take inspired action. Our emotions are powerful drivers of our actions. When we feel confident and capable, we are more likely to take risks and pursue our goals with unwavering determination. However, when we are plagued by self-doubt and insecurity, we hesitate, procrastinate, and miss out on opportunities. However, when we are plagued by self-doubt and insecurity, we hesitate, procrastinate, and miss out on opportunities. By understanding this connection between our thoughts, emotions, and actions, we can begin to take control of our state of being and create the conditions for success. We all have stories we tell ourselves, narratives that shape our perception of ourselves and the world around us. These stories are often based on past experiences, beliefs we have adopted, and the messages we have received from others. The problem is that these stories are not always true. We may hold on to limiting beliefs about ourselves, such as "I'm not good enough" or "I'll never be successful," without questioning their validity. These negative stories can become self-fulfilling prophecies, holding us back from reaching our full potential. The first step to rewriting these stories is to become aware of them. Pay attention to the thoughts that run through your mind throughout the day. Challenge the negative stories and ask yourself if they're truly serving you. Are they based on facts or simply on limiting beliefs? Once you have identified the negative stories, you can begin to replace them with more empowering ones. Focus on your strengths, your accomplishments, and the times you have overcome challenges. To rewrite your narrative for success, start by setting clear, specific, and achievable goals. When you have a target in mind, your brain can focus on finding ways to achieve it, filtering out distractions and negative self-talk. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out mentors, coaches, and friends who believe in your abilities and inspire you to grow. Remember, the people you spend the most time with have a significant impact on your thoughts and beliefs. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe that you are capable of learning, growing, and achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't be afraid of challenges or setbacks. View them as opportunities for learning and growth. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Every step forward is a victory worth acknowledging. This positive reinforcement will fuel your motivation and keep you moving towards your goals. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Every step forward is a victory worth acknowledging. This positive reinforcement will fuel your motivation and keep you moving towards your goals. Cultivating a powerful mindset is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It requires consistent effort, self-awareness, and a willingness to challenge your limiting beliefs. Practice gratitude daily. Take time to appreciate the good things in your life, big or small. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of abundance and contentment. Engage in activities that nourish your mind and soul, whether it's meditation, spending time in nature, or pursuing creative endeavors. Find what brings you joy and make it a part of your routine. Remember, you are in control of your thoughts. Choose to focus on the positive, believe in your abilities, and never give up on your dreams. As the saying goes, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. The power to create the life you desire lies within you. As the saying goes, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. The power to create the life you desire lies within you. Start mastering your mind today and watch as you master your destiny.